Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to Sunday TV. The rains are back. That's the good news you have today, and we really appreciate it. So there is a lot of rain, so you have to put on the gumboots and the raincoats. So whenever it rains, you have branches that fall across the path, so we have to cut them down to clear the path for pedestrians. This is Africa, and Africa is beautiful. You can see nice landscape, nice trees, a beautiful environment. Everything is okay in Africa. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Sunday TV.